High Performance is General Finish's award-winning and best-selling water-based top coat designed for professional and DIY use. This interior polyurethane produces a smooth, durable finish, ideal for cabinets, furniture, and millwork. High Performance is VOC compliant, water cleanup, low odor, non-flammable, and fast drying. And it can be used as a toner by mixing by volume with 5 to 10% of our stock RTM stains, stock water-based wood stains, or dye stains. Apply with a brush, roller spray with HVLP, air-assisted airless, or airless sprayers. High Performance sheens are flat, satin, semi-gloss, and gloss, available in pints, quarts, gallons, and 5-gallon pails. Dry times based on ideal conditions of 70 degrees Fahrenheit and 50% humidity are touch, 5 to 10 minutes, sand, 30 to 45 minutes, recoat, 2+ hours. Dry times can vary significantly in different application conditions. Here are 2 maple doors, one stained with GF water-based wood stain and onyx with semi-gloss. This natural maple door is finished in satin. We advise not using High Performance or any clear coat over bright whites, as it may cause yellowing. Light colored paints may alter slightly with a top coat application, but the color shift is less noticeable. General Finish is dedicated to testing, evaluating, and advancing our water-based finishes with the highest quality ingredients and leading-edge water-based technology. Learn more about High Performance Top Coat at generalfinishes.com/highperformance. General Finishes. We make tomorrow's finishes today.